How to find and see all the bookmarked messages in chat. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see and find all the bookmarked messages on chat, easy and fast. So first thing, go to Zoom. Now choose the conversation or the channel. Let's say now here. Okay, I'm gonna bookmark this so I can show you. Now if you want to find all the bookmarked messages, go here in the top corner and then click on bookmarked messages. Now right here you will find all the bookmarked messages, easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.